Hello everyone, welcome back again to Debs' Delight. Today we are making our own homemade butter. There is nothing like homemade, and this one is super delicious and very budget friendly. If you'd like to see how, please keep watching. So for this you only need 1 or 2 ingredients, which is heavy cream, and the next ingredient I'll show you later. So all you need to do is to transfer some heavy cream into a bowl and start whisking with your cake mixer like so. So whisk until the milk is separated from the butter, just like demonstrated on your screen. There is no time frame, just keep whisking, and once you see that it's separated, get rid of the milk, but don't throw it away. I'll show you what you can use it for. And the next ingredient will be some salt, which I have already added. Because it was splashing everywhere, I covered it with some clean napkin and continued whisking until all the excess milk was extracted from the butter. And just look at that, we are nearly there. Very simple to make, isn't it? Whoever thought you could make your own butter at home? Once this is done, I'll separate the milk and transfer the butter into another bowl. But we are not done. What we're going to do is to squeeze out any excess milk or water from the butter, and to do that you need very cold water and some ice, and start squeezing just as shown on your screen. So you need to repeat this step, changing the water and ice. Make sure that the water is very cold and you need a lot of ice for this until the water is clear. Okay, and just look at that, it's solidified and just beautiful. We are done. Simple as ABC. Make sure to squeeze all the excess water out so it can last longer, and the next thing you have to do is to shape it the way you want. So I've lined some baking sheet into my bowl. I'll press on the butter until I get a square shape like you see on the screen. Pop it into the fridge overnight and our butter will be good. So as I mentioned before, the excess milk squeezed from the butter becomes buttermilk, which you can use in your cakes and all your pastries basically. So I won't be throwing it away. I will store it for whenever I make my cake. And just look at that, once I've taken it out of the fridge, it looks amazing, doesn't it? Of course, I've not forgotten today's shout out, which goes to Aribabo Suleiman Olewale. Thank you so much for all the support. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout. So this is me trying to pair the butter with my bread. If you haven't seen this bread recipe as well as the wheat bread recipes on the page, kindly look for it. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, God bless you and bye for now. Please do not forget to like, comment and share.